Now for this question we read that we're being told here, to determine the amplitude, period, and midline of the graph shown below. So this graph right here. Now to figure out the amplitude and the midline, I need the maximum and minimum values that we get to. And I can read those right off. My maximum is going to be 10. You probably can't read that off the screen here, but that's going to be 10. And our minimum value here is going to be 2. Okay? Well, my amplitude, remember amplitude is max minus min over 2. So that's going to be 10 minus 8. Sorry, I'm doing the math ahead of time here in my head here. Hold on. 10 minus 2 divided by 2, that's going to be 8 over 2, or 4. So we're looking for something that has an amplitude of 4. Now, when you look at your options here, that's not A, that's not D. So it's one of those two. Now, I don't need to figure out what the midline is. In all 4 of those cases, they wrote 6. So I feel fairly confident the answer is 6 here. What I got to do now is figure out what the period is. That's the differentiating value here. So let's take a look. Now I'm really lazy, so I'm going to start on the y-axis here. It looks like I'm hitting a minimum point at the y-axis. So if I just go down and find the next minimum point, that should be the period. So I start here, I go up to the middle, up to the top, I come back down to the middle, down to the bottom. That's 4 distinct motions. That's a full period. And I read off that my answer is 40. So my period should be 40. That's the thing that differentiates between those two possibilities. My answer is C.